very windy. I'm under the boardwalk of amusement park. It's right above me. So I forgot what they call it. For rides, there's like 15 rides or above. So it's pretty cool. Actually, you can see here, right below. It's a really nice area here. Really cool out from the sun. It's really hot out. And also today we went fishing today, but I didn't really record anything because we did not catch anything really. Wave, it was really rough outside and it just wasn't very calm at all. You know, it's pretty disappointing day. I only caught one keeper out of a whole. Everybody was catching catfish, and so today it's just a relaxing day. I'm just roaming around the beach and just enjoying the day. Right now it's 5:38 in the morning. Very exhausted. Wow. Got up early, super early to go out work out for a little bit, and I decided to head out to the beach and try to get some sunrise. You know, the beach is crowded every time, so I wanted to have a chance to be able to get all the calm before people come and be able to get all the great shot and video. And that's my goal for today. And I'm trying to figure out where to find a perfect spot. You know, the sunrise, it's not gonna be for a while, but I'm just trying to get the hour in before the sun comes up. I'm usually the person that wait till the last minute, and you know, that's not a very good thing. I want to get this hour before. I'm gonna go by the Carnival boardwalk for sure, around there, and I'm trying to figure out the perfect. I want a lifeguard stand. You know, I have an app where it tells me where the sun will be rising. It's perfect for it because I don't want to miss my shot, and you know, it's only one chance to do so. So I have an app. So here's an app called Sun Souvenir. I forgot what they're called, but they tell you where the sun is. Exactly is. And they'll show you the map where the sun is. So here's the globe right here. You look around, see it. So you look around, and then you see that point where the sun will be. So the sun will be directly over there, and they show you in the morning. So perfect timing right now. Look at this, all the time lapse set up, and see how it turns out. I killed it. Got 3 cameras running at once. I got the GoPro out to take the time lapse. I had this camera to take the time lapse too, and I was flying the drone while those cameras were doing their work. Oh, I killed it. I'm happy with it. One more thing, I have a great idea. I want to do a long exposure shot of the water under there, and there's somebody out there doing the long exposure shot, and I don't want to like copy him. I'm trying to figure it out. I really want to do it, but well, you know what? Might as well because I had that tripod ready. Oh. That was a long morning. I mean, it wasn't a long morning, but it was a busy, busy morning. Getting up 5:30 for all that. That was worth the work, but very tired right now. And right now is so 8:57. So it's about 3 hours worth of shooting, photos, videos, drone. It was worth it, but that's not the hardest part of all. For me, right now, not for you guys. Now, for me in this video right now, I have one hardest thing to finish. Post production. Sunset right now, and I'm about to head back. I didn't do very much filming today because I was having so much fun with my dad and his best friend, which is also considered my best friend too. So I just didn't want to bring my camera along because we were in downtown. So I bought a new sweatshirt right here, and we went out to eat at night. Later at night, which was just like a couple hours ago, and the food was amazing. What I had 4 different things on my plate. I had grilled shrimp, wrapped in bacon, and it's up with cheese, and I had a fish fillet, 2 different kind of fish, and another different kind of shrimp. I forgot to tell you about yesterday. We went out to eat. Of course, we went out to eat every day. We had fish every day, pretty much. Yesterday, with we went to this one place. I forgot what it's called. It's across the island. The island is only 3-mile wide, or the length, and the island is 27 some miles the length. But we went on the other side of the 3 mile. Had a black and red snapper, I believe. Oh, yes, red, black, no, Mahi black, and it was amazing. And I had this one drink. Don't worry, guys, I'm over 21. So I had this drink. It wasn't ice slushy or margarita. It was something like that. It was ice. It kind of like margarita. Kind of like that, but it was a watermelon flavor. You had green top, white on the bottom, and red. It was so good. It was honestly the best drink I ever had, ever. I'll show you guys in this. I saved an Instagram story. Check that out. So as you guys saw it, it looked good. It looked good. It is amazing. All right, I'm about to head back. It's getting darker now. Overall, so far, we have 1 more whole day and 2 more nights. Tonight and tomorrow night is all we have left. And this week have been flying by so quickly, which is really sad. Okay, so when we went to that restaurant tonight, like I said, I had so many fish, like a couple shrimp, 2 different kind of fish. So when we went there, in Galveston, anywhere you go, you'll see pigeon, those little blackbird, I can't remember what they're called, and seagulls. They are walking in front of you. They are walking in front of you all over, no matter where you at. And they don't care if you try to stare at them. They're just so brave. One time yesterday, I was holding a shrimp in my hand. I wish I would have caught that with the camera, but obviously I did not know that was coming. So I was about to eat it. All of a sudden, this little blackbird, I mean it was brown but with black head, flew right in front of my face and smashed the shrimp out of my hand. So I'll show you both videos I posted on Instagram. The first one was from the first day of the shrimp, and then the second one I posted will be from today. I mean today for my day, not for you guys. It is crazy. I've never seen anything like that. It was very cool. We started a little bit slower than today for like about first 3 hours, and then for the last hour, the fishing we were about a total of 4.5 hours, and the last hour we were catching every single trout, like probably like almost every cast, and then at one point we had 4 on at once that time. It was awesome. I think overall this was an awesome fishing trip today, Friday. Unfortunately, we did not catch any big we couldn't get any bait. We couldn't catch any bait for the bigger fish and stuff like that. But overall, the last hour was perfect, as you can see here. Trout, hands down, I'll take it. Have a good one, Sharpie.
Later, buddy.
Thank you very much.
See you, man.
Yeah. It's been delayed a lot so far, and we're stuck in Dallas airport right now. And then as we got on the plane in Houston, we had to wait 23 minutes because it was raining a lot. And then we were like, oh, we have 10 minutes to run across the whole airport to get to our flight. And then it got delayed again to 8:54, I believe. We got halfway through the flight, 9:45. And then as we got here, our flight delay got delayed to 11:45. And then it got delayed again, 12:15. I'm like, oh, Jesus, we won't get home. Crazy night now. I'm just thought that probably gonna edit some video, edit pictures as much as possible, take my contacts out, just glasses. So it's a pretty rough night. I'll talk to you guys in the next video. See you guys in the next video. And if you enjoyed the trip, hit that thumbs up. If you haven't yet, click on the thumbs up button. But if you already have, I want you to crack the bell notification for you guys. And here is some raining for you guys for my future video. That sounds fun. I'll see you guys in the next video. Adios.